Hi, I'm Shelley Wood and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple little party dress which should fit rainbow high dolls and other dolls that are 10 inches and have a curvy figure. But before we begin this sewing adventure, and it's going to be an adventure, please go to my website, shelleywood.com, to download this free printable PDF sewing pattern. There is a link below this video on YouTube, so look down in the description. Use the pattern to cut out the pieces shown here. You'll also need a bit of 3.1 millimeter or 1/8 inch ribbon. Create a hem on the skirt's long side by folding the fabric once and then a second time, and you'll want to do a whip stitch or use your sewing machine to hem this. Sew darts in both your bodices. Trim each dart like you see me doing in this video clip. So you won't have quite as much fabric because I'm using the same tutorial that I've also used for Barbie sized dolls, but you do want to trim away excess fabric. Sew the two bodices together along 3 sides. Clip your seams and corners and invert. I like to use a chopstick to help me with inverting. Sometimes you may find that helpful as well. It kind of has a heart shape to the bodice and you have to work at trying to get that heart shape. Press your seams flat. Now we're ready to work with the skirt again. Gather the skirt's fabric opposite of the hem. Avoid gathering the sides of the skirt, especially since we'll be later hemming them like you see right here. But do pin the bodice to the gathered skirt, right sides together, before you sew along the waist to attach the bodice. Then hem both sides of the skirt with a whip stitch. Now there's a link to my whip stitch tutorial in the description if you need it. Now fold the garment in half like you see here, and you're going to sew from the bottom of the hem to that side or back closure area. Invert the garment like you see me doing here. Now it's best if you put the garment on the doll before we attach the straps because you need to measure them to fit. Cut 1/8 inch ribbon to match the length of the strap pattern on your pattern. Attach the straps to the bodice. Measure the dress while it's on your doll so you get the placement of the straps right. Attach snaps as a back closure for your dress, and now you're ready to try the dress on a doll. She is so cute. For more free printable sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Hi, I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. It's time for a class update. My class has been designed around your frequently asked questions, the questions you send me over Gmail. And mostly what I'm trying to do is show you how to use doll measurements to alter patterns you already own in this class. So it doesn't matter if you are sewing for an 18-inch doll, an 11-inch doll, a 10-inch doll, an 8-inch doll, even smaller than that. Use your doll measurements with the patterns you already own, and you'll learn how to lengthen and shorten skirts and pants patterns. You'll also get my magic resizing formula, which shows you how to take a doll clothes pattern that's too small for your doll and make it bigger. Or vice versa, how to take a big pattern and make it smaller to fit your doll. So these techniques will work for all different sizes of dolls, and I am so excited to be involved with Creative Spark in making this great class for you guys. We're going to do all kinds of ways to alter patterns just so that you can build a wardrobe of your dreams.